He's not going to kick while I'm on him. You got to get down there by that bush. You do. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Constantly. You should always choose the direction and the pace. It's like driving down the freeway. Yep. There's no fine line. You should be. It's like driving a car. You don't go down the road and say, "Oh, I think I'll give the car some freedom of choice right now." It's a constant vigil. You never let go of the steering wheel and say, "I think we're going straight. We'll be okay." Yep. Yeah, we just wanted to get far enough ahead that no one was stuck on the cliff. He knows he's a born leader. Go ahead. Just go straight. Like I said, this is his first time here, so come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. You good boy. Yeah. How's everyone doing? Lean back on him. Leaning forward on him. Loosen your reins. Just give him a kick in the kids. Lean back. He'll be fine. Just lean back. There you go. Come on, boom. You can't interrupt these.